How to use Zillion gift card on Amazon. So if you want to use Zillion gift card on Amazon, then first you need to go to the Zillion gift card redemption website at zillionsgiftcard.com or zillionsgift.com. Enter your card number and PIN. Then click on Redeem. This will show your card balance and available balance for e-gift cards. Since Zillion gift cards don't work directly on Amazon, the trick is to select a Visa or MasterCard e-gift card from the list. These act like a regular credit card that Amazon will accept. Next, you need to choose the amount that you want to convert. So provide your email address and click on Get e-gift card, and you will receive the card details in your inbox. Make sure to check your email carefully. Once you have your e-gift card details, you need to go to the Amazon and add the items that you want to buy to your cart. So in my case, I'll just simply go and select a random item. Go with Add to Cart, which will be on the right side. Now go with Proceed, which will be again on the right side. And then you need to go with the payment method and add a payment method. But before that, you need to add a delivery address. So enter the delivery address and then your payment method. And under your payment method, you can go and select the credit or your debit card. Then enter your e-gift card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. And then click on Apply, and your balance will be used towards your purchase. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.